vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even if you are using a quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will normally be activated for warnings in selected watches within a 40-mile radius of the Brasstown All Fluids transmitters. This includes the following Georgia counties under the Brasstown All transmitter: Fannin, Lumpkin, Towns, Union, and White in Georgia, and Clay County, North Carolina. This includes the following Georgia counties under the Blue Ridge transmitter: Fannin and Gilroy in Georgia, and Cherokee County in North Carolina, and Polk County in Tennessee. This concludes the weekly test of the warning alarm system. We now return to our normal weather broadcasting. The current time is 11:32 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Here are the 11 a.m. weather observations from around the area. At Blairsville, it was partly sunny. The temperature was 75.